Hello everyone, welcome back again. So student, today in this session we will do our next exercise, and that is exercise 5.8. Your chapter number 5, understanding elementary shapes, and your exercise is exercise 5.8. So let's start from the question number 1, and your question number 1 is examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among of them is not, say why. Okay, so in this question you have to check that which one is polygon. Okay, which one is polygon, and if anyone is not a polygon, so just give the reason why it's not a polygon. Okay, so first just revise what is the meaning of polygon. Okay, a polygon is a closed figure. Okay, वो क्या होना चाहिए, close होना चाहिए. Okay, and it's made by line segment, और वो line segment से बना होना चाहिए. Just like here, it's a line segment. This one is also line segment, third line segment, fourth line segment and fifth line segment. So a polygon is a closed curve. Okay, first condition is close, वो कहीं से भी open नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, it will be close. And the second condition is line segment. Okay, it made by line segments. वो line segment से बना होना चाहिए, उसमें भी कोई curve line नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, ऐसी कोई curve lines नहीं होनी चाहिए. So that is the condition of polygon, closed and it made by line segment. So let's start from the first one, A. Okay, so here we have some line segments, like just look at here, just look at here, these are the line segments 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So here we have 11 line segment, but that is not closed. Okay, ये इस साइड से क्या है, open है, so that is not a polygon. It is not a polygon as it is not a closed figure. ये close नहीं है, so that's not a polygon. Now come to the next figure. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 line segments, and it's a close curve also. ये हर जगह से close है. Clear? So yes, it is a polygon. Now come to the third shape. This one, that is a curved figure. Okay, it's closed. ये closed तो है, but it's not made by line segment. ये line segment से नहीं बना है. It's a curved figure. ये एक curved figure है, एक curve से बना है. Clear? So that's not a polygon. So here is your answer. No, it is not made of line segments. ये line segments से नहीं बना है, so that's why it's not a polygon. Now come to the fourth one, D. So here you have 1 2 line segments and one curved line. Okay, it's closed. It's a closed figure. Clear? It's a closed figure, but here we have one curved line. Okay, that's why it's not a polygon. Clear? Why? Because here we have one curved line. Clear? So ये आपका polygon नहीं होगा, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है, एक curved line है. ये सारे line segments से नहीं बना है. No, it's not made of only line segment. इसमें 2 line segments तो हैं, but इसमें third line segment की जगह एक curved line है. Clear? So that's not a polygon. Now come to the next question. So in this question you have to name each polygon. Clear? So आपको हर polygon का नाम लिखना है, and make 2 more examples of each of this. और हर type के polygon के आपको कोई भी 2 examples देने हैं. Clear? So let's start from the first figure. So as you can see here we have 1 2 3 4 line segments. Okay, so that's why it's a quadrilateral. Okay, what is that? Quadrilateral. इसमें 4 line segments है, तो ये polygon आपका क्या होगा, quadrilateral. 4 line segment quadrilateral, 3 line segments triangle. Clear? So that is your quadrilateral. Clear? Now let's check any 2 example of quadrilateral. So here you have trapezium. Okay, 1 2 3 4 sides, so it's also quadrilateral, and this figure is trapezium. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's another example of quadrilateral, and this one is your parallelogram. Clear? So these are the two examples which are related to quadrilateral. Your question number 2 part A. Okay. The given figure is a quadrilateral, as this closed figure is made up of 4 line segments. Two more examples of quadrilaterals are, first one is trapezium, another one is parallelogram. Now come to the next figure. Okay, so in this figure we have 1, 2, 3 line segments. Okay, so 3 line segment means it's a triangle. What is that? Triangle. Okay, our next figure is a triangle, and as you can see here, this side is equals to this one. Okay, so it's an isosceles triangle. कौन सा triangle है ये? Isosceles. Why? Because here we have two equal sides. So another examples of triangles are equilateral triangle and scalene triangle. Here is your answer of part B. The given figure is a triangle, as this closed figure is made up of 3 line segments. Two more examples of triangles are this one, 1, 2, 3. All 3 sides are equal, so that is your equilateral triangle. Clear? And here you have 1, 2, 3 different sides, so that's your scalene triangle. Okay, so these are the two examples of triangle. Now come to the next figure, figure C. Now just count the number of line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 line segments, pentagon. Yes. 3 line segments, triangle. 4 line segments, quadrilateral. 5 line segments, pentagon. 6 line segments, hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8 line segments, octagon. Okay, so just revise it and do it. So that is your pentagon. So another 2 examples of pentagon are here. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 line segments, so it's also a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also we have 5 line segments, so that is your another pentagon. You can draw your own pentagon also. आप कोई से भी 5 line segments को join करके pentagon draw कर सकते हैं. It's not necessary that you have to draw these kind of pentagon only. Now come to the next figure. That is your last figure of question number 2, figure D. And what we have to do again, just count the number of line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 line segments means it's a octagon. ये polygon हमारा कौन सा polygon है? Octagon. Why? Because it have 8 line segments. So just draw another octagon by using 8 line segments, and here is your answers. Clear? Just count the number of line segments. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So students, what you have to do, just pause your video, okay, and write down the answers in your notebook. Clear? Part C and D. That is your part C and D. Now come to the next question, question number 3, and that is draw a rough sketch of a regular hexagon. Okay, first you have to make a regular hexagon. Hexagon means 6 sides. Okay, and regular means all sides are equal. Okay, what is the meaning of a regular hexagon? Regular means all sides are equal. Okay, and all angles also equal. And hexagon means a polygon which has 4 sides. Okay, so जिसके 6 sides हों और उसमें सारी sides equal हों, सारे angles equal हों, that is your regular hexagon. Okay, अगर किसी भी polygon के आगे regular mention हो, it means उसकी सारी sides जो होंगी वो measurement में equal होंगी. Just like here, that is your octagon. Clear? But here all sides are not equal. यहाँ पे सारी sides जो है different है, ये बड़ी हैं, ये छोटी हैं, ये बड़ी हैं. Clear? So it's not a regular octagon. Clear? So regular hexagon means आपको एक ऐसा hexagon बनाना है जिसमें 6 sides हों और सारी sides जो equal हों. And what we have to do, कनेक्टिंग एनी 3 ऑफ इट्स वर्टिसेस, आपको उसकी कोई सी भी 3 वर्टिसेस को आपस में कनेक्ट करना है। ड्रॉ अ ट्राइंगल, और उनसे एक ट्राइंगल बनाना है। एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप ऑफ ट्राइंगल ऑल्सो। क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज मेक अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन, सेकेंड स्टेप इज connect any 3 vertices, okay, third step is make a triangle, and the fourth step is identify the type of triangle. Okay, so how you can draw a regular hexagon? Just look at here. Suppose the measurement of a line segment is 4 centimeters, so just draw a 4 centimeter line like that. 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, so that is your regular hexagon. Okay, 6 sides 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, इसमें 6 sides हैं, so that is your regular hexagon and all sides are equal. Now connect any 3 vertices. So I am taking these 3 vertices 1 2 3. Okay, you can take another 3 vertices also, just like that. 1 2 3. Okay, now after that connect any 3 vertices. So 1 2 3, these 3 vertices are connected with each other and it's a triangle. ये क्या बना रहे हैं? ये एक triangle बना रहे हैं. Clear? That is your triangle. Okay, and here as you can see here, this side is equals to this one. Why? Because it's a regular hexagon. ये एक regular hexagon है, तो उसमें सारी sides equal होंगी. Clear? So आपकी क्या है, ये 2 sides equal हैं इस triangle में, और ये third side जो है ये obviously आपकी बड़ी होगी. Clear? Because it's a diagonal. So what is the type of this triangle? It's a isosceles triangle. Why? Because here we have 2 equal sides. इसमें 2 side equal हैं. Clear? So ये क्या है, आपका एक isosceles triangle होगा. Clear? So here is your answer. An isosceles triangle by joining 3 of its vertices of hexagon can be drawn as follows. Okay, so here you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 line segment. It's your regular hexagon. Okay, and 3 vertices are connected with each other. Okay, 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal. So that is your isosceles triangle. Now come to the question number 4, and in this question what you have to do, let's check. Draw a rough sketch of a regular octagon. आपको क्या करना है, एक regular octagon बनाना है. It means आपको 8 sided, it means आपको 8 side वाली एक ऐसी polygon बनाना है जिसमें सारी sides जो हो equal हो. Clear? Now after that draw a रेक्टेंगल बाय जॉइनिंग एग्जैक्टली 4 ऑफ दिस वर्टिसेस. अब इसकी आपको 4 वर्टिसेस को ज्वाइन करके एक रेक्टेंगल बनाना है. क्लियर? आपके रेक्टेंगल में 4 साइड्स होती हैं, 4 वर्टिसेस होती हैं, तो आपको 4 कोई सी भी वर्टिसेस लेके एक रेगुलर, आपको कोई सी भी 4 वर्टिसेस लेके एक रेक्टेंगल बनाना है. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज जस्ट मेक अ ऑक्टागन. ओके, सो जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल ड्रॉ 2 centimeter लाइन, 2 2 2 2, another 2, and that is your final one. Okay, how? Let's check it again. 2 centimeter 2 centimeter 2 centimeter 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 2 centimeter, another 2, and the last one. Okay, now count the number of line segments. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Clear? So that is your regular octagon. Okay, you have to draw it with the help of scale. Okay, आप स्केल से इसको बनाएंगे. Randomly आप इसमें कोई से भी लाइन नहीं ड्रॉ करेंगे. Now our next step is connect any 4 vertices. Okay, and you have to make a rectangle. Clear? आपको ये भी ध्यान रखना है कि आपको एक rectangle बनाना है. So you can take these 4 vertices also, 1 2 3 4, or you can take these 4 vertices also, 1 2 3 4. clear, and these 4 vertices also 1 2 3 4. okay, आप कोई से भी 4 vertices ले सकते हैं, but condition is that you have to take the opposite vertices. आपको हमेशा opposite vertices लेने हैं. Suppose that the opposite line segment of this line segment is this one. clear, the opposite line segment of this one is this one. clear, for this the opposite line segment is this one, and the last is for this line segment, the opposite line segment is this one. clear, so आप जब भी vertices लेंगे, क्योंकि आपको एक rectangle बनाना है, rectangle में opposite आपकी जो lines होती हैं, line segments होते हैं, वो equal होते हैं, तो हमेशा आप जब भी vertices select करेंगे तो आप opposite vertices select करेंगे. clear, so here I am taking these 2 vertices, 1 2 and another 2 is 1 2. so here I have 4 vertices. okay, now I am going to connect these 4 vertices, 1 2 3 and 4. so that is my rectangle. clear, 3 4. okay, so that is my rectangle, and you can draw it like that also. clear, so before drawing this octagon, first what you have to do, just take your ruler or scale, draw equal line segments. clear, equal line segments आपको बनाने हैं. after that just select opposite vertices. okay, and last step is connect these vertices, and that is your rectangle. okay, now come to the next question, question number 5, and in this question the question is, a diagonal is a line segment that join any 2 vertices of a polygon. okay, so आपको जो diagonals होते हैं वो किसी भी polygon के जो opposite sides को जब connect करते हैं, opposite vertices को जब connect करते हैं तो उन्हें हम diagonal कहते हैं. and it is not a side of a polygon, और इन्हें हम polygons की side नहीं कह सकते हैं. diagonals are different and sides are different. okay, diagonals आपके 2 vertices, 2 opposite vertices को connect करके बनते हैं. clear, so diagonals are different and sides line segments are different. so in this question you have to draw a rough sketch of a pentagon. okay, आपको एक pentagon बनाना है. pentagon means 5 sides. clear, and draw its diagonals. okay, and after that you have to draw its diagonals. so let's check how we can draw a regular pentagon. okay, so just take any fixed measurement in your scale and mark one line, another line. so that is your first line segment, that is your second line segment, third, fourth and fifth one. okay, so it's your regular pentagon because it has 1 2 3 4 5 line segments and all line segments are equal. okay, आपको same measurement के line segments draw करने हैं. now just connect its diagonal. okay, but before that just mention the name of the vertices, that is your A, B, C, D, E. okay, you can write here X, Y, Z also. okay, so now let's draw the diagonals. that is my first diagonal AD, second AC, third DB, fourth CE, and the last one, fifth is EB. okay, so that is your pentagon, and these 5 are the diagonals of these and these 5 are the diagonal of this pentagon. so here is your pentagon. okay, AB, CD, AB, BC, CD, DE and EA, and your diagonals are AC, CE, EB, BD and DA. clear, just like that you have to draw this pentagon and diagonals in your notebook also. clear, so here is the answer of your question number 5. It is observed here that AC, AD, BD and DE. Okay, here is your AC, AD, BD, BE and CE. These are the diagonals and that is your pentagon AB, BC, CD, DE and EA. Okay. So student, that is your last question of exercise 5.8. I hope you all are able to understand these questions with the help of this video. If you have any doubt, just comment me in the comment section. If you like this video, just like, share and subscribe the channel. And for any doubt, just comment me in the comment section. Clear? Thank you so much. Have a nice day.